Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is another learning video for Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. So today we'll take a look at weekly candle since it was a weekly finish, as well as we'll take a look at the daily candles of Nifty and Bank Nifty to see how we can trade them on coming Monday. So before we proceed, there's a disclaimer. All the views expressed in this video are for learning purposes and in no way should be considered as a buy or sell recommendation. Viewers' discretion is appreciated. What I'm sharing with you right now is the Nifty spot chart on weekly time frame, and as we can see here, following the bullish Morubozu from past week, this week's candle is more of a indecision or a slightly bearish candle, but there's a long leg, a long lower wick which indicates strong buying at lower levels, and this can be considered as a pause candle which will mean that if the highs of this candle are broken, we may see a good up move. Coming to the daily time frame, I see that we see that there is this indecision candle to form today. We had movement on both the sides. So in the beginning, we had the down move as well as there was a sharp recovery from the bulls in the later part of the trading day. And overall, the close is higher than the previous day's close, as well as the market is opening gap ups, which indicates positive sentiment in the market. If today's highs get broken, then we can see 21,833 level retested again, which is all-time high, and from there we may also see new highs for Nifty. For Bank Nifty, this is a weekly chart. Weekly chart again similar to what Nifty had. It is more of a long-legged doji, and the lower wick is very big, which indicates strong buying at lower levels. And the previous candle was a bullish dominated candle, so bullish, almost like a bullish Murubozu, and this weekly candle is more of a pause candle again similar to what we saw in Nifty. So all in all, I think bulls look strong here, and if the highs of this weekly candle get broken, then we will see more upside, and the all-time highs, that is 48,636, will be retested in the coming week, and if and it may go past the all-time highs to achieve new all-time highs, right? So let's see how we can trade it on Monday. So going to the 15 minutes time frame. All right. So with the 15-minute time frame, today as we see the market opened with a gap up, and then there was this long indecision candle. Since the highs of this candle were not broken, I was skeptical to go ahead with a bullish side trade, and and then the market broke the lows of this first candle, and that indicated that there might be some downside. But as I had mentioned earlier, this the longer trend is a uptrend, and which is intact, which is still intact. So going ahead with the downside trade was not something favorable. So we saw a down move, after that which there was some consolidation, and then again a sharp down move. However, at the levels of 21,600, we saw a sharp recovery from the bulls, and the last candle that it closed on was a hammer candle, as you can see here. Now, this last candle actually doesn't matter much, but because a lot of the positions will be exited because of Friday weekend. So this candle may not be a good indicator. However, the candles before that, the candles starting from 215 to 315, I think those are the candles which indicate strong bullish momentum, and it indicates the dominance of the bulls. So all in all, I think we will be interested to see how this plays, and if we have to trade on Monday, we'll have to wait for the levels 21,755 to cross. If the market opens flat or slightly gap down, or even slightly gap up, but closes sorry, but breaks the 21,755 levels and then sustains above it, then in that case, I think the next level we can look for is 21,833. followed by a new all-time high. On the downside, again, I think this level 21,630 uh, will be very crucial because there was a strong buying seen from this level. So if the market comes to this level again, we may see some consolidation, and if this breaks, then we may see 21,566 levels again. Uh, we may even see a bounce back from 21,622 if the market opens gap down from a level which is nearby to this 21,622. Going to Bank Nifty 15-minute time frame. So let me just resize this. Okay, so so for Bank Nifty also again, the first candle was again an indecision candle. The highs were not broken and the lows got broken. Once the lows were broken, there was again a downfall, down move seen, and after some consolidation, again there was a sharp down move. But at 47,800 levels, we saw strong buying, and the uh, the market recovered very well. What I would like to highlight here is that the option chain data actually did not reflect this, right? So 47,800 levels at the point of 215, right? 215 in the afternoon. If we match that with the option OI chain data, or the NSE option chain data, this one, NSE option chain data, then in that case, at that moment at 215, uh, it nowhere indicated that there's going to be a bullish momentum this way, right? So that was very surprising because usually the OI interest data, the change in OI usually tells you where the market is heading or which direction the market can go. So this was very surprising. It did not reflect on the OI. However, I think I'll still be more positive for bullish momentum, and I think for Monday, if we have to trade, we'll have to look for the level 20 sorry 48,388 to be broken, and once that gets broken, we can see the next level 48,636, and a new all-time high if the 48,636 levels get broken. So I think there's one more thing I would like to highlight here. Let me go back to this. So usually it is said that our markets are, or rather reflect the Dow Jones as well, right? So just give me a minute. Okay, so now here we see the Dow Jones is on a down move since Friday. So the last 5 sessions it has all continuously been on the down move. However, there has been a good rally, similar to what we have in Nifty and probably in Bank Nifty, but the last 5 days have been uh, totally bearish, right? There's no sign of bullishness over there. However, in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is not that bad the last 5 trading sessions, right? So if you see these 5 trading sessions, we have seen bullishness as well. So it will be interesting to see how this plays out, because uh, if our markets get influenced by Dow Jones, then in that case we may see some sharp down move. However, for me to be more of a bearish bias, it will need a daily candle close below this level, which is 47,400 level, and for Nifty it will be 21,500 levels. Till then, I think for every dip there will be buyers um, who will be jumping in, and with the FOMO, the fear of missing out emotion, they will be buying so that the market again goes up. So that's it from my side. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, do write to me, and do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And thank you so much for watching. Before wrapping up, there's this disclaimer again: trading in stock markets is risky, and making money in stock market is not easy uh, in the long run. with patience and with continuous improvements, you can definitely make some big money. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks.